because you have to whisk it to put the cheese with the biscuit. Alright, now for our Muenster cheese, my all-time favourite dairy-free cheese. So we've got a few more steps, but still quite simple to follow. All the instructions that come with your kit. So first we're going to line some of our little moulds, which is some little things I prepared earlier, with a little bit of cling wrap. Never really been good at this. Voila! Why do the commercials make it look so easy? Alright, so now we just have to put a little bit of oil on the insides. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil in here. I don't have any spray oil. If you do have spray oil, I'm sure this would be a little bit easier, but this makes me feel like a real artiste. And for the Muenster cheese, you can add any toppings that you might like. I'm gonna, because I've got a few little things here, I might put some mixed herbs on one or two, and then a little bit of salt and peps on the other two. And now we're going to put all the ingredients in the blender to swoosh them all up. So coconut oil is provided in the DIY kit. So you get this little jar here. I'm going to pop that in the microwave for about 30 seconds to let it soften. And we've got our sachet number 2, which is our Muenster cheese, which is going to go in there as well, not forgetting the soy milk. And then this is going to go back in a saucepan to heat through. And I'm going to scoop this out into my little ramekins. It's a fun word, isn't it? So I'm going to leave these to sit, cover them with some paper towel, and then we'll chuck them in the fridge, and then